Kungenele osukwini lwesine namhlanje ukuthungathwa komlisa okukholakala ukuthi umuke nomfula. Izakhamuzi zaseKomatipoort ebesithungatha emfuleni seziqala ukulahlekelwa yithemba lokuthi uzotholakala esaphila.
I'm just going to say goodbye to Gabriel now. You know, my own goodbye to him. Because he's not alive anymore, definitely. He's either eaten by the crocs. In December, we lost 2 soldiers from the SA. Surely you also reported on that. They only found the one soldier's head. Part of his body was never found. That's the crocodiles.
Umdobi wezinhlanzi owabona lesigameko uthi wazama ukuhlenga lomlisa kodwa wangaphumelela.
As I walked down, I saw that there was a bakkie standing in the river, pushed off of the bridge. Immediately I dropped my bags, I ran to go see if the person that was in the bakkie, if there was any persons in the bakkie and if they were okay. As I got onto the scene where the bakkie was standing, I found that there was one gentleman in the bakkie.
Uphiko lwabahlengi lwamaphoyisa liyaqhubeka nokuthungatha losomabhizinisi onyamalele.
Ekseni siqalile kumfundo nalama drones kepha azange simthole. Vele futhi sihambile nathi inyawo la iceleni kulemfula besihamba kumfundo nathi imehlo azange sanuka lutho asikamboni leti ngwenye tisesekhona leti imvubu tisesekhona so vele hayi siyasokola and vele asikamtholi. Kepha sitokhubeka namuhle kumfundo nalama drones and then kusasa vele sicelile bazophinde kusithumela helicopter.
Ukuthungatha kuyaqhubeka.